Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
The G6-41 series provides high-pressure airflow essential for blast furnace operations. Performance curves validate its capability to meet height in and ventilation requirements. The fan features dynamically balanced rotors for stable operation and minimal vibrations. Constructed with high-strength materials to withstand high temperatures, it ensures durability.
Decent machinery
Offers robust quality control, dynamic balancing, and on-site technical assistance to ensure optimal performance.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.